Michael from StreamingChurch.tv. Today, for your admin tip, I wanted to talk to you about the DVR panel. So if your account is set up to where you're recording, this is the auto DVR. To turn it on, you check the box here. If you uncheck that, you can see then it's a manual recording that you can do. And this panel, there's not a button there, and that's intentional. Once you turn your encoder on and you're live streaming, you will see a preview image here, and then it will give you a button to begin recording. But we're going to talk about auto recording today, and so these are service times we have set up in this test account. Something very important that you need to know is your encoder needs to be on and streaming live before you hit this time. So you may want to consider, and that's one of the reasons this is here, you can add a 5-minute delay before the DVR kicks in once you go live. So let's say our service is at 9:15. We turn our live encoder on live, it begins streaming, and then 5 minutes later, our DVR is going to kick in and begin recording. If you turn your encoder on after this time without that delay, let's say we're back here. So let's say you accidentally forget and turn your encoder on at 9:16, the recording will fail because the DVR couldn't find the stream when it began to attempt to record. So encoder on before DVR time, or give yourself a 5-minute gap, and of course the service time over here, however long, a little bit longer than your longest services, whatever that may be, set that time and then hit schedule recording, and there you have it. So again, the point of this is I don't want you to miss any recordings because your live encoder starts after the start time. That's what this delay is for here, or you can delay it more. If some people only put the sermon portion online and they may skip however long their normal worship set is so that it's just the sermon. And so it gives you a lot of power in how you can control what you're recording and when you're recording it. One other thing, it is always the best practice to record locally, because if you accidentally miss the time, if you have a local recording going, then you have a backup that you can upload. Another time, when there is regional internet outages and you may get some skip or something that cuts the recording into multiple pieces because the internet goes out, if you have a local recording, then you have an additional redundant backup that you can upload after the weekend. So that's just a bonus tip for you. I hope you guys are having success with your recordings and everything is going great. If not, reach out to us at support@streamingchurch.tv, or chat, or give us a call. Have a great day.